on break during the conference or workshop. Detailed knowledge of cultures can be available at the history museum or memorial hall and so on. So to recap what I have discussed so far.
Okay, you say that to sum up my talk. Say it, to sum up my talk. To sum up my presentation. Could you use a useful expression here in the summary part? Simply say that to sum up my talk. Can you hear me?
Sorry.
You simply say to sum up my talk, okay? To sum up my presentation in this part.
This part.
ここでね、表現を要約って時には、こういう表現使ったらいいです。To sum up my presentation or to sum up my talk と。いいですね。結論は in conclusion という、そういうような形で言ってみてください。お願いします。はい。To sum up my talk.
To sum up my talk. Increasing CQ knowledge is very important, and but my CQ knowledge is not high. But and
I hopped in some session rooms. Sometime you see could you just look at the chat, you know, might be a little bit difficult to start talking about the outline. This is a sort of a basic, you know, these are basic useful expressions. So I really want you to just master this, you know, simple expression. You say the good evening or good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is, I'm a student of Tokyo Tech. Today I'd like to talk to you about, right, the title you say. And then after, you know, introduce your topic, whatever, just, you know, you say this is my outline, right? I have divided my presentation into 4 sections or 4 parts, right? And then you're going to explain the first, second, third, and summary and conclusion, right? That's you have to use these expressions. And now let me start with the first part of the main parts, you know. But in the summary part, you say to sum up my talk, right? To sum up my presentation or to sum up my talk. Or maybe you can use another expression to recap what I have discussed so far, right? And the in conclusion part, simply you say in conclusion. So I really want you to use these basic useful expressions, okay, in your presentation, okay, anytime. And then I will add more useful expression later on. And after you finish up your presentation, you see, I'd like to open it to the floor. Do you have any questions or comments from the floor, right? Or I'd like to invite some comments or questions from the floor. Podium side, the speaker side is a podium, and then the floor is the audience, right? So I want you to really learn these useful expressions, right? Okay, maybe from next week. And also I saw the several PowerPoint slides. There are too many words, wouldn't be good. Not so many words. And also make sure reading your PowerPoint slide is totally different from presentation. Reading is not a presentation. So you have to explain, all right? You have to explain what you load down on your slides. That's a key thing. So maybe better to follow a rule of 5 means at least there are 5 lines, and each line you put down only 5 words. Means you don't have to write down the full stop sentences, but depends on the slide, right? Depends on the slide. But that's a sort of a rule you have to follow. But you can violate some certain rules sometime, okay? All right, and now Professor Weakley, are you now there? So yeah, we are so much privileged to have him as a guest lecturer today. And so he's going to give us the worldviews and the also global leadership and whatever. Okay, the floor is yours, Professor Weakley. Let's start. Yeah, could you unmute your sound?
Well, again, thank you so much. So good to be with you again, Abari Sensei, and the class. Thank you for the opportunity to be able to be a part of your wonderful course. You're